He entered the tunnel and never returned. 1911, Italy. A tourist train carrying 104 passengers left Rome and was supposed to pass through the new Zanetti tunnel. A couple of minutes later, there was silence at the exit. Engineers searched the track. The rails were intact. There were no debris. The train seemed to have vanished into thin air. Years later, eyewitnesses from different countries reported seeing an old steam locomotive without lights or people. Italian archives confirmed that the Zanetti train had indeed disappeared. The tunnel was filled in, but at night, locals swear they can still hear the whistle coming from underground.